If you enjoy spicy food and want to learn how to make this Liberian pepper crabs, keep on watching. Welcome back to another cooking video with Mix Chop. Today we'll be learning how to make some Liberian pepper crabs. So we have our ingredients, which includes our crabs, half a bell pepper, 2 Vita cube, an onion that I cut into 2, our garlic, chili pepper, crushed pepper, paprika, vegetable oil, black pepper, and lastly, our lemon. Next, we're gonna blend our onions, our bell pepper, and with our garlic and chilies. This is what our blended onions, bell pepper, and chili with our garlic looks like. I went ahead and added some water to that blend to make it a little bit watery, liquidy. I'm gonna cut this half an onion. You can cut your onions whichever way. Next, we're going to clean our crab. This is how I clean my crab. This is how my mother taught me how to clean a crab. So we're gonna take this part out. And then you wanna go like this. And you wanna open this. Same thing, lift this part. Put your knife like this and just pull apart. And you want to take this out. So after cleaning our crab, I'm going to go ahead and throw away all the shells, as well as I'm going to wash this. But I am going to put some lemon on my crab, and I'm gonna wash this with this. It helps takes away the fresh smell from your crab. And you want to wash it very thoroughly. And then I'll be right back. After washing my crab, this is what it looks like. Super clean. The inside part. Put in our crabs. We're gonna go ahead with a little bit of black pepper. We're going to add some crushed peppers because we want it super spicy. We're gonna add some paprika. We're gonna add half a cube of Maggie. Excuse me, Vita cube, or you can use Maggie as well. And we're gonna add 1 spoon of this. This is a big serving spoon. We're gonna mix. You're gonna mix that in really nicely. We're also going to add just a pinch of lemon to this. Lemon juice. After you're done mixing, you're gonna move on to your next step by cooking your crabs. Now that our crabs are seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and steam it just for a little bit. So we're gonna add our crab tour pot. You want to make sure and get all that season in it. And I'm going to put this much water in it so it cooks nicely. You want to get all that season and all the pepper from the sides. And you want to put this in here. And you want to put that on low heat so it steams really nicely. I'm just going to leave this for a couple minutes and we're going to check on it. After that 5 to 7 minutes where our crab looks fine, we're going to go ahead and empty this in the bowl over here. Next, we're going to add some oil to our pan. You want to leave all the stuff in there as well. We're going to saute our onions. And we're also going to add our blended ingredients. After our onions are sauteed, we're going to take some of our onions out and put it aside in another bowl. And we're going to add our blend. And you want to mix that in. You also want to go ahead, to add the rest of your Maggie, your half a Maggie. We're going to add some black pepper. And we're also going to add just a little paprika. This much. And you want to mix this. After 3 to 5 minutes, our sauce has fried down. We're going to add our crabs. You want to add all the juice from your crab. And you want to mix really nicely. We're just going to leave it on low heat for a couple more minutes and we're going to check on it. After that couple of minutes is done, we want to go ahead and add our sauteed onions. Here's the final look of our Liberian pepper crabs. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you try this recipe at home, please let us know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. And also, follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.